Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we are changing bolt catch on the top of the door. Okay, what happened is this thing came out, the bolt coming out from this door. Every time it closes, it just comes out. Taking out the screws. The whole assembly comes out like this. Take the new one, drop it in using the same holes, new screws. Do that same operation on the other side. Take out the striker plate. Sometimes, in order not to damage the paint, you just score it with the utility knife or box cutter, whatever you call it. The same on the other side. Let's do ops check. Alright, final step, we do an operational check. Doors are staying the same, everything is good, and we're done. That was Legacy Handyman. Thank you for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel.